SMAP, Soil Moisture Active Passive, by the Biscuits 33111C. SMAP is an Earth science satellite that helps monitor droughts, improve weather forecasts, predict floods, and assist crops. SMAP was launched by NASA in 2015 and supposedly ended in 2018. However, it is now in an overextended phase until the year 2023. The satellite determines the moisture in the soil and can measure if the ground is frozen or thawed.
SMAP is a perfect model of data being collected by an autonomous robot that improves life on Earth. SMAP could send both radar and radiometer waves up until the radar failed 3 months into the mission. The radio provided a higher resolution and the radar could scan a few inches deep into the soil. The radiometer actually saved the mission when the radar failed. Now SMAP's data has a resolution of 9 kilometers.
SMAP has the ability to measure soil moisture, ocean salinity, and soil freeze-thaw state. In the image to the left, the dark blue is from the Amazon River, which is less salty than the ocean around it. The map to the right shows the floodwaters from October 5, 2015 in South Carolina. Both maps were created using data collected from the SMAP satellite.
SMAP can examine where crops have to be planted and where there should be more irrigation. This information can improve crop yield forecasts, helping farmers predict how good their harvest will be. For example, if the soil is going to be extremely wet one year, a farmer would know to plant crops that thrive in wetter soil.
This can help people in starving countries learn when to plant crops and how much profit they can get from it, which lets them help themselves and will benefit them long term. The money spent on SMAP could feed all of Africa for a day, but this would be long term and help them plant their own crops in the future. The data will also serve as an early warning sign to droughts.